Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Robert. I'm an expert when it comes to choosing the right glasses for the right person, and I'd love to help you choose your perfect pair of frames. So, the reason I'm shooting this video is because we got some new releases from JF and there were a few pieces that really stood out to me. Now, if you're not familiar with JF it's a brand founded by Jean-Francois Ray, who's a French eyewear designer. He takes a lot of inspiration from the 80s, but he applies a modern twist. So let's get started. So this piece, as soon as I saw them, I knew we needed to have them in the store. And I've never seen a colour combination like it. We've got racing green combined with a layer of orange, bright orange as well. And I think what that achieves is a really interesting kind of triple silhouette where you've got the inner green contrasting with the orange, contrasting again with the outer green. And if that weren't enough, the inside of the frame is full orange as well. We have an Aviator frame finished in stainless steel with a single brow bar. And as far as looks go, this is about as 2020 as you can get. We're combining colour with the Aviator style, which is just so in for guys at the moment. And you know what, it's a really lightweight and comfortable frame as well. But it's all about the look with this one. But in terms of style, I struggle to see how you could beat this as a guy looking for glasses this year. It's very wearable because the racing green really offsets the kind of bright orange, and overall it's not an over-the-top look, but it's just out there enough to stand out compared to all the other glasses that you'll see on display. Now, as you can see with that piece, JF love to play with kind of three-dimensionality, frames which aren't just a single silhouette but have multiple silhouettes. And that's exemplified best in this series of frames, which is called the Wave series. And as you can see here, this frame literally has three rims to it. You've got a blue frame, a black frame, and an antique gold frame, all juxtaposing one another, all playing against each other. It creates silhouettes and shadows, and it just looks different from every angle. As you can see, as I turn the frame, it creates new aspects. It's absolutely amazing. I think it's ingenious, really. And it just kind of puts other glasses to shame. You know, when you see other frames which are just a single shape, you've got kind of three shapes in this frame, all working together and against each other to create a really unusual effect. I won't model this one because it is a ladies' frame, and I think the ladies are so lucky that they get frames that are as beautiful as this one. And finally, we've talked a lot on this channel about how gold is the season's colour and how minimalist frames are really making a comeback as well. You've probably seen metal frames before, you've probably seen half rim frames before, and you've probably seen rimless frames before, but I bet you haven't seen them all combined in one pair of glasses. I know I haven't, at least. These are going to go on display tomorrow, but I can pretty much guarantee they'll be sold out within a week. These kind of frames just catch everybody's attention, catch everybody's eye, pardon the pun. So next up, I'm kind of honoured really that we have been chosen to be the exclusive stockists of this unique model from Reykjavik Eyes. Now, I filmed a video back in December saying that Reykjavik Eyes would be the best glasses for 2020, and I really believe that. The reason is they're the first glasses made from a single piece of metal. There are no screws, springs or solders, none of the traditional weak points on a pair of glasses. But Reykjavik Eyes have taken it up a notch, as they always seem to do, and this now features not only a single piece frame, but also a single piece lens. So the whole design is one piece, and I don't believe that's been done before either. It does limit them, meaning that we can't make them in prescription, although I'm sure we're going to get a customer who's going to request it, and I love a challenge, so who knows. But this is such a different style to most of the sunglasses on the market. Believe it or not, they look huge, and I know they are deliberately going for that kind of oversized look, but they feel so much lighter than almost any other glasses that you'll try. I bet you could try on glasses that were a quarter the size of this, and they'd probably be twice as heavy, and I really mean that. The whole thing, the frame, the lenses, I don't even realise that they're on my face, aside from the obviously dark tint. It also gives me really panoramic vision. I can look left to right, and I've got full protection from the sun, but I've got really good peripheral vision as well, so for driving these would be ideal. And which one you choose, I'll leave that up to you. These are literally one-off pieces, so we have one of each in stock. Once they're gone, they're gone. They'll be on the online store, hopefully in the next week or two. And I will be publishing some notifications on Twitter and Instagram, so make sure you follow those accounts when these go live. On that subject, by the way, I hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you have, please give us a like, please subscribe, it really helps our channel grow. We've grown this year from just a few subscribers up to about 500, and I'm really wanting to take that to 1,000, so if you can help us get there, I'd really appreciate it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it interesting. I hope you've also found it inspiring in your quest to choose your next pair of glasses. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment down there, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye bye.